Hello traders, and welcome to my video on the Morning Star Candlestick Pattern. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use this candlestick pattern to catch moves like this one for over 350 pips. You can look for the Morning Star Candlestick Pattern on any trading instrument, Forex, stocks, commodities, crypto, indices, etc. And you can find it on any chart time frame. This is a 1 hour US dollar Canadian dollar chart. You can actually find the candlestick pattern on any chart time frame. I prefer to use the 1 hour charts and above just because I find the signal is more reliable. That applies to all candlestick patterns and technical indicators. Generally speaking, the more data that is included within them, the more reliable the signals are from my experience. Okay, so the Morning Star Candlestick Pattern is a sign of a bullish reversal. So basically following on from a downtrend, we're going to look to enter a reversal. Doesn't necessarily have to always be at the end of a downtrend. It can be within an uptrend. Just the key thing to remember is we're looking for this formation to appear and take a long trade, a bullish trade. Okay, so first of all, if we zoom out, you can see that we had a downtrend here. Okay, market fell down nicely, and then the Morning Star is marked off here on the chart. I'll explain the pattern to you now. Basically what we're looking for is a down candle followed by a candle with a small body, usually gapping away from the close of this down candle here. And then we're going to look for a third candle, a bullish candle that breaks out above the initial bearish candle. So it's a 3 candle formation. Down candle followed by a candle with a small body, and then an up candle that breaks out above the down candle, and you enter on the breakout. It's as simple as that. Okay, you can see this trend forming here. So we're going to look to enter on the reversal. Had you taken that trade, I mean, that would have been an excellent entry for, almost 400 pips. However, there will be instances where you might see the setup, but price will continue falling in this direction, which is why you might want to confirm with other market analysis, for example, support and resistance. We did have a nice bounce of the support level here, which has held up well. We have other bullish candlestick patterns forming there, such as the hammer. We have a bullish hammer there. So the other thing you can do is you can wait for the trend to form first if you don't want to risk price continuing to fall or ranging and you want to time your entry perhaps a little better. You can always wait for the, for an established trend. Let's just say you waited till this point here where we had this trend form and the pullback. You could have entered on this Morning Star here. Again, you have a down candle. Okay, so you're looking for your bearish candle followed by your candle with a small body, this one here, and the bullish candle which breaks out above the high of the high of the body of the initial candle. Some traders might use the wicks, which would be here. Personally, I don't mind using the bodies. We're already in an established uptrend here. As I said, the Morning Star doesn't always have to be at the end of a downtrend. I mean, in my opinion, you risk buying against the trend in that instance, but at the same time it does mean that you can buy low and get in at trends at the beginning. Just use a sensible stop loss. I mean, say you did take this entry, you might just want to have your stop loss below the support level there, which around 15 pips is a relatively tight stop loss for the 1 hour chart time frame, especially when you consider how far price had moved. Even if you were wrong 5 times in a row and your stop loss got hit there, you can still see the potential profit when you do actually catch a big move like this one. You can make your losses back and more. Okay, otherwise if you're late to the party, you're firing up the chart here, you can always enter there. I will say I'd probably just use this as an extra confirmation, but not something that's set in stone or has to occur in order for me to take a trade. I mean, you do have other You have almost a W pattern formed here, which could have been a signal to enter on this breakout here. Okay, so there are other things to look out for. Don't necessarily have to have the Morning Star candlestick pattern to confirm entry. It's a relatively easy candlestick formation to spot on your charts, but for example, we don't have any marked off here. That being said, I wouldn't necessarily avoid trading here. I can see some nice breakout trades just using support and resistance levels as a guide. And at the same time, this particular trade, there was a Morning Star marked off there and one here as well, but by then, you know, you can see we have this consolidation here. Price is slightly ranging. We probably want to wait for the pullback first. You certainly don't want to buy high up here because you'll be buying into potentially into the resistance area. You just want to see how price plays out, rejected it, and wait for the pullback and enter on the way back up. Okay, so the Morning Star, as I said, is a relatively easy candlestick pattern to spot on your chart. You really want to look for it following on from a downtrend or within an uptrend. You can use indicators as well for extra confirmation. For example, if we just place the MACD on the chart, basically with the MACD indicator, the market is said to be trending up when the MACD is above the signal line, or signalize this red line here. Or the market is said to be trending down when the MACD falls below this signal line here. Okay. Some traders like to use the middle line, the zero line as well. Anything above trending up, anything below trending down. And the MACD also measures momentum. So generally, the lower the MACD is, the more the bearish momentum, and the higher the MACD is, the greater the bullish momentum. I do have multiple videos on the MACD indicator you might want to take a look at, but for the purpose of this, I'm just saying it can be used to help you identify the direction of the market when looking for the Morning Star candlestick pattern. Like this, let me just zoom in there. This Morning Star candlestick pattern here that we marked off, you can see the MACD was agreeing, okay, the price has actually turned up in an upwards direction, so it may have been a good time to look for it. Whereas you have this one here, it's not the ideal formation, just looking at the price action, but you can see as well that the MACD was below, suggesting a selling market, so you could have perhaps avoided that one based on that. This one, okay, it wasn't a great entry, but if you look at the MACD, you can see as well there's some bearish divergence to the downside, which suggests that the bull market is losing some momentum. Okay, and here this entry, price does move above the signal line, and you didn't necessarily have to trade the breakout there of that Morning Star, because we have this resistance level here. You could have just kept an eye on that and traded that breakout there. You can see from that big candle, probably quite a few traders were watching this particular setup, and we did have the pullback back to the resistance come support. Potential entry opportunities there. Okay, there are other candlestick patterns I can see here on the chart, but there's too many to name them all. For example, I can see a master candlestick pattern here, which is basically when one candlestick has at least 4 within its body. So you have this green one here, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 in its body. So you could have looked to trade the breakout of the high of that one, which occurred around here. You have the 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern as well, ties in with that, which is another bullish candlestick pattern with 3 up candles and a pullback, trade the breakout of that. So it's just good to be aware of these candlestick patterns. They can help to confirm entries or to potentially avoid trading altogether. Okay, hopefully that's given you a good overview of the Morning Star candlestick pattern. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Catch you on the next one.